Discover the brilliantly innovative Honda Jade. Explore the distinctive advantages of this remarkable car. Prepare to be impressed by its stylish design and features that are as practical as they are unique. Overview. Today, we introduce the Honda Jade, a car that shares much of its DNA with the 7th generation Civic. In fact, the Jade was developed on the Civic platform. Produced between 2013 and 2020, it was designed and aimed primarily at the Chinese and Japanese markets. We could only feel a sense of disappointment that it did not get a global release. At first glance, the Jade appears to be a large car with a sleek, low and aerodynamic design. The front end bears a striking resemblance to the Civic. The model we're looking at is from 2015, prior to the facelift. The design shows subtle differences, especially in the headlights and bumpers. The pre-facelift headlights are very attractive, with partial LED technology for superior efficiency. They also include a high beam assistant that ensures optimum visibility while avoiding glare for oncoming traffic. This is just one of the many features included in Honda's Sensing Suite as part of an advanced driver assistance and accident prevention system. The profile of the Honda Jade is defined by its impressive 2.76-meter wheelbase, creating a confident and balanced stance. Expansive glass panels blend seamlessly with the flowing lines of the silhouette, reinforcing its sporty character. At the front, the larger windows designed with practicality in mind taper towards the rear, creating a strikingly dynamic side profile. The rear window in particular adds sophistication to the estate's silhouette. This design blends practicality with sporty elegance, accentuated by the bold presence of large wheels and an integrated rear roof spoiler. Adding to its appeal is a unique and innovative detail at the rear. At first glance, it appears to be an unobtrusive black-painted section of the roof adjacent to the tailgate. However, this seemingly subtle feature is in fact a unique piece of integrated glazing, an unremarkable yet truly exceptional element that represents the Jade's design ingenuity. Interior. Inside the Honda Jade, you'll find a pleasant surprise. It offers either 5 or, as seen here, 6 seats across 3 rows. Quite different from the 2x3 layout in the Honda FR-V. It can also be used as a comfortable 4-seater estate with a large boot. The third row of seats, which folds into the boot floor, isn't just a cramped bench like in many 7-seater SUVs. The second row seats are independently adjustable and, in fact, more comfortable than the front ones. A unique feature in this class is the ability to move the seats sideways. Rear passengers enjoy their own air vents and several storage compartments for convenience. The driver of the Jade is presented with an instrument panel familiar from the Civic, and the dashboard follows a similar design. One could say that this car feels like a Civic right up to the front seats, after which it transitions into a completely different vehicle. It's the rear section that truly defines the Jade project. Returning to the front of the cabin, let's start with visibility. It's truly excellent, thanks to several key features. The side windows are quite large, and despite the steep angle of the windscreen, there are no thick side pillars. Additional triangular windows in the doors significantly improve visibility, while the positioning of the side mirrors also plays an important role in driving comfort. The cockpit is designed so that the instrument panel sits just above the steering wheel line, allowing the driver to keep an eye on all the essential information without having to move their gaze. The gauges also display functions related to Honda Sensing, such as traffic sign recognition and hazard alerts. Honda Sensing ensures comfort and safety with a range of standard features, including dynamic cruise control, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and emergency braking. The central part of the console looks sleek and minimalist. It includes automatic climate control, and a multimedia system that supports a reversing camera, all thoughtfully integrated for ease of use. Users will surely appreciate the numerous well-placed storage compartments and cup holders, which add to the car's practicality. The seats are comfortable, with the front ones offering electric adjustments and heating, depending on the trim level. The upholstery in the Jade can also be finished in leather, including a light beige option, enhancing the premium feel. The large glazing on the Jade reveals yet another surprise. The side windows, in addition to standard UV and IR filters that prevent the cabin from overheating, also feature acoustic properties. The side windows are thicker and stiffer, while the front windscreen is made with special technology designed to reduce external noise. Another feature that has received careful attention is the design of the alloy wheels. The model shown here is one of two variants created not only with aesthetics in mind, but also to reduce aerodynamic drag and cabin noise. At 154 centimeters in height, the Jade offers an unexpectedly spacious cabin, thanks to clever mechanical solutions such as the fuel tank, exhaust system, and suspension layout. The low aerodynamic profile ensures the car handles wonderfully, but we'll delve deeper into the driving experience in the section on performance. Of course, with a car like this, the boot is just as important. And here too, the Jade offers a pleasant surprise. The third row of seats, designed with comfort in mind, provides passengers with an additional sunroof, cup holders, and plenty of space. However, if you need more luggage room, the rear seats can easily be folded flat, offering a generous amount of storage space. Price at BeForward. Similar Honda Jade you can buy at BeForward. The 2013-2020 model starts from $3,360. Please check current prices and stock on the BeForward website. Engine and chassis. The handling of the Jade is exemplary, largely due to its strong resemblance and shared DNA with the Civic. With a body length of 466 centimeters, width of 177 centimeters, and height of 153 centimeters, the Jade has a low center of gravity, which significantly contributes to its excellent responsiveness and outstanding ride characteristics. Jade incorporates a number of innovative solutions to assist the driver, starting with the independent multi-link rear suspension, which ensures stable handling when cornering. Next is Agile Handling Assist, which automatically adjusts stability by applying the brakes for efficient and tight cornering at high speeds. There is also an automatic engine brake feature for long, steep descents. Standard 16, 17 or 18-inch wheels, depending on trim, also play a role when it comes to handling and fine control. For ease of use in the city, we get a turning radius of just 5.3 meters. There are two engine options, the hybrid version shown here and a turbocharged petrol unit. Both power only the front wheels. The hybrid, with a 498 cubic centimeter engine, produces 131 PS and is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission, which also allows manual shifting via paddles on the steering wheel. The turbocharged version has 20 more PS and a CVT gearbox. The hybrid version consumes around 4.1 litres per 100 kilometres, according to the JC08 standard, giving a range of 975 kilometres on a full 40-litre tank. The turbocharged version consumes around 5.4 litres per 100 kilometres and can cover around 870 kilometres on a 47-litre tank. Browse BeForward's extensive inventory to find a Jade that suits your needs and budget. Visit BeForward.jp. You can also send your inquiries to top@BeForward.jp.